starting lineup to begin this game for Coach Jerson Cabiltes, who has been known to really tweak his starting lineup in their last game against Caloocan, and now starts this game to maybe provide them with some scoring to begin.
Batang Kamkalu, so they're certainly capable of beating teams at the top of the north. But Jory Napoles from Pampanga in exchange for Alin Mina. Art de la Cruz, the hook shot will rattle out and in.
Of the floor with that patented left-hand hook.
Jory Napoles jumper will rattle. Pangasinan really active on the defensive end. Jory Napoles straight to the cup with a strong take, 2 points.
Game.
And now, Quezon Gabo will push it, gives it up to Michael Mapula, who banks it in. That was a tough shot from Art de la Cruz. Tatakbo na naman dito ang Heat Waves. Jory Napoles, dire-diretso, puts it in! Plus a Coco with a free, off target, inside, and better execution that time by
Who can actually put up those kinds of numbers at his position. He might be the best at it.
Yeah, Flores Victoria forcing his way. J-Boy. Now he attacks. One-hander is good for J-Boy Soto. Coco Pinggoy, entry pass, papunta kay Mark Dyke. Pinasa palabas. Miranda for free. Something that they desperately.
They move that basketball around and getting it to AJ Miranda.
Quezon Gabo fading away. Made it look.
To make sure you get familiarized with how things actually happen. That's a big...
Mintis. Bulanadi. Puts it on the deck, pulling up. Alin Bulanadi with a one-hander. J-Boy. Binigay kay Coco Pinggoy. Pinggoy will fire and score from downtown.
Mga totoong tests ay nangyari rin naman talaga dun sa mga talo nila, because this is yung mga teams na
Bulanadi still on the floor. Will rise up for the jumper. Gets that.
Sabalin after making the basket. Already 2 field goals in this game para sa kanya. And that
Pagsanhan to Bulanadi. Skips it to Vic Manuel. He fires from free. It's good. Ball stolen away by Bulanadi. 3-point shot. Back-to-back free.
almost every end of the offense here para sa Cowboys.
De La Cruz hits the jumper. Now Josh Giab settles for the one-hander. It will not trickle in. Pagsanhan with a putback off the...
Sanhan another crack at it.
Giab with a jumper. Galanza, nagtangan ng bola, crossover dribble. Eludes the defense of Makoy Marcos. 25, bumagsak si Gumaru. Naihatid ang bola kay Giab. Mid-range jumper is pure to locate Flores, but they turn the ball over. Unti-unti lumalapit ang Ilagan Isabela. 3-pointer. Masyadong malakas. Rebound to Gumaru. Pass inside. 2 points for Josh Giab. Gumaru. Hinatid kay Art de la Cruz. Gumaru will launch a free and hit it. Numero para sa Heat Waves. Pero bola na agaw ni DH. Leaking out is Art de la Cruz, who lays it up with his right hand. Will settle for a mid-range jumper but can't get that one to fall. Galanza, the most dangerous guy.
Chances to miss shots. But over time, masasanay at masasanay naman need to step up, especially right now that hindi pa sila sigurado makakapasok ng playoffs.
Nice execute. Sorry miss from Dennis Santos. Pretty much a makeable shot, and it's a 4-point swing.
The opportunity to go on transition.
Nice dive by Mark Dyke. Another assist. Bola na wala sa kanila pero na-recover ni Josh Giab sa loob. Oh! Dennis Santos! Creeping up to the side of Pangasinan. Manuel has yet to get himself going, but he flips it up with his...
Oh my!
Coach Louie exasperated on the sidelines, and that is exactly why. 8 seconds left sa ilang shot clock. Pinggoy nakawala. Pinggoy sa loob. Left-handed layup is good. Giab. Mark Dyke Straight away free, puts it in.
with that outside shot.
Ball stolen by Mark Dyke, a chance to take the lead. Josh Giab in transition, lays it in. And
Because the league, almost all of the teams have really beefed up their rosters. It is not turn it up and have a little bit of a run here to get themselves going and cheering, shouting from the stand.
hit the free. Time winding down, still enough time for Ilagan Isabela in stride, beating the buzzer. Fourth quarter, you see how Ilagan Isabela outscored them quite well.
Chance on looking back in this game, Ken.
Galanza steps closer, lays it in. Defense nitong Ilagan Isabela. Not much fluidity on their offense, although
That third quarter. Second, that option, hindi na nila masyadong ine-explore.
Galanza drives baseline, goes for the reverse. Drives right, kicks it out to Josh Giab. The shot fake, the step back, the pass to Tumali. 3 seconds left for free. It's good.
Alinlangan dun sa ginagawa nila. Walang pagmamadali dun sa offense nila. They got it to the open man. But here,
The hesitation, Pingoy turns it over again. Tatakbo si Alin Mulanani. Dire-diretso, lays it up and in. Pangasinan getting their second win, but only 4 on their shot clock. Bulanati drills in. Bulak forcing it up, got rejected by J-Boy Solis. Miranda in transition, sidestep, stumbling Boles. Misfires from the outside, he cuts. Nice pass from Mabulak, and Jory Napoles lays it in.
pero dumula sa kamay ni J.R. Olegario yung bola.
76-74 to close out the fourth quarter. J-Boy knocks down the first free throw. He's relishing the crowd booing him. Yeah, he misses the second free throw, however. Hart, series of moves. J-Boy, too strong. Wow, a foul again.
Jumping for the rebound.
Galanza, big miss from the line. They just want to get back or get into the playoffs after
Still a lot of time to play.
Napoles attacks the defense of J-Boy Solis and he scores. Other side, wild shot, no whistle, but Olegario comes away with a steal and backs it in. The lead is down.
What a big play for the Cowboys.
De La Cruz for the lead. It's good! Pangasinan, numbers here for the Heat Waves. Napoles got blocked. Maguliano there for the stick back. Pangasinan saves it to Maguliano. Shot clock is off. Ilagan needs to foul, and they do.
Lower percentage look to the open guy in the corner. That was J.R. Olegario.
Big miss from the... Art De La Cruz, he was not there in that initial matchup. Miranda makes his move, puts it up, puts it in! Against AJ Miranda. Gabo will make his move, will put it up, it's short, and we are going.
Coming our way. And this is definitely a treat for every MPBL fan watching tonight to have this game go.
Nothing more than get into the playoffs, but 2 big misses from the line. Ball Galanza. That's
Imagine to play this way after not suiting up in your last.
ball from 3 from Alin Bulanadi. Susugod si AJ Miranda. Puts it up and another basket.
Miranda just finds a way.
Mabasa 2 lamang. Supalpal inabot ni Gabo kay Mark Dyke. Pero nandoon para linisin yung ending down. 6 seconds left. Gabo. Long 3-point shot. Oh my goodness! His AJ Miranda, the pass to Don Gumaru. Well executed play off a...
Where Gomaru was waiting in the wing, but he decided that he was going to take the shot himself.
No need to foul if you're the Cowboys. Miranda tightly guarding Lawrence Victoria. Ooh, not a good foul. Both teams though struggling from the line.
in that kind of position, especially with this kind of situation.
Too strong. Was right there at the cup.
Excellent defense played there by Kesit Gabo to make that shot difficult for Don Dumaro in over 27 minutes.
Galanza hits the free throw.
Galanza not even averaging 10 points per game this season.
Emer Oreta enjoying this game between Ilagan Isabela and Pangasinan. Tumalip giving up the foul. Game Long has the chance to seal the deal for the Pangasinan Heatwaves.
These are the moments that he loves, Ken.
Yeah.
But in games like this, that's why Coach Gerson keeps him on his squads.
One of the rare guys. That's the ball game. Lucky for Ilagan Isabela, they will live to fight another day, but that's gonna be a knockout match going up against the surging One Bataan Risers.